Hello friends, welcome to Bitcoin Forex. I hope you all are doing good. Well, today I'm going to show you a very unique strategy, a very unique indicator. I'm sure you must have not seen this before anywhere on the YouTube. This indicator you can use to make intraday trading in cryptocurrency, in Forex, in gold. This is one of the best indicators I've come across. Only with the help of this indicator you can make very good trades. I'll show you how to go ahead and put this indicators in your chart and how to take trades. Before that, if you're new to Bitcoin Forex, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you like this strategy. Going ahead, we are into TradingView right now. I'm into the chart of Bitcoin US dollars. What settings we have to put I'll show in the end of the video, but right now I will first tell you where you have to take the perfect entry and what is gonna be the target and stop loss in your trade. So let's go ahead and see where exactly we have to take the entry. Now if we go ahead, okay, we are into the 5-minute chart, normal candlesticks, and right now if you see there is a super trend. Okay, we will take entry when 3 conditions are met. Okay, what are those 3 conditions? Now let me tell you where we're gonna take the entry. First, if you look at the chart, okay, we are taking the entry here. Why we are taking the entry here? We have to take a short position, a sell position over here. Okay, I'll explain you why we are taking a short position. Okay, see, here we're gonna short and our stop loss is gonna be this, the high of the previous candle. You can see this is gonna be our stop loss, and we're gonna target for 1:5. 1:1.5 is gonna be our risk reward ratio. Let's see first if this risk reward achieves or not. So going ahead, if you see, we are close to our target. Okay, and this is where the target is achieved. Now let me tell you why we have taken the entry at this point of time. The first thing we are gonna check here is this bearish candle has to cross the yellow line. This yellow line which you see over here downside, the bearish candle has to cross the yellow line downwards. It has to give a closing below this yellow line. Okay, it should not be the wick, it should be the closing. The candle should close below the yellow line. The first condition. Second condition, the candlestick should be below this white line, the middle line. If you see, the candles should below the middle line. And the last condition, the super trend which you see over here, it was greenish. The super trend has to be red. Okay, when the super trend changes, the candle crosses the yellow line downwards, we are gonna execute our short trade like how we did over here, and we have achieved our target very easily. So this is the first target we have achieved. Let's see what happens next. If we go ahead, we are only going to take the trade if we get it above the yellow line or below the yellow line. Okay, so right now if you see, there is no trading opportunity because the market is inside the yellow lines. So inside the yellow lines, it's a no trading zone. We are not going to trade if the candles are inside the yellow lines. All right, so we are only going to take the entry if we see a candle moving outside the yellow lines. Okay, properly giving a closing below the yellow lines. Okay, so this is where if you see, all right, see, it is not given a proper closing. Okay, this is where it has given a proper closing below the yellow line. So if we make a short position over here, let's see if we achieve our target or not. The SL is going to be the previous candle's low, or in this case it's high, and 1:1.5 is going to be our target. So let's see if we achieve our target or not. Okay, all right, it's too close to our target. All right, great. So this is where we have achieved our target. If you see, it is achieved over here. We have achieved our target over here, and this is how we have taken an entry. So moving ahead, let's see if we get any other opportunity. So here we find an opportunity. Okay, let's go ahead and see. No, there is no opportunity. Okay, yes, we see an opportunity over here. So if we take a short position over here, and the candle's high is our stop loss, and 1:1.5 will be the target. So let's see if the target is achieved in this case. Right, so in this case it's quite closer to the target, but no, still no chances of a SL or a target are being hit. Okay, so I think we have hit an SL in this case. Well guys, let me tell you, any strategy in the market, it's not going to give you 100% accuracy. This is where this strategy gives you 90 to 95% of accuracy. That means if you're making 100 trades, you will be successful in 90 trades out of 100, which is not even bad, guys. This is gonna be very good if you use this strategy. If you perfectly follow this with discipline, this will give you amazing results. Okay, so moving ahead, let's see some more examples. All right, so no trade yet we're gonna take. Okay, so here if you see, okay, this is crossing downwards, and if here we would have taken a short position, and the stop loss is gonna be above this, and it's gonna be 1.5. okay, so let me tell you, let me check if this is gonna be achieved here or not. Okay, let's see. All right, it's yet not hit the SL. Okay, so our target is achieved here. If you see, we have achieved our target on this candle. Okay, this is the candle where we achieved our target. So it has not hit the SL, and it hit the target, which is very good. Now going ahead, let's see how we are gonna deal with. All right, let's see how it gives an opportunity ahead. Let's wait for the opportunity. All right, so do you think there is an opportunity? I don't think so. All right, no closing outside the yellow line. Right, okay, there is a closing here. If you see a proper closing, right, so we're gonna take a long trade over here. This is a proper candle, and it's gonna be the previous candle's low, and 1.5 will be the target. So let's see if this achieves or not. Okay, all right, it is quite, yes, it has achieved over here. So if you see, maximum times the target has been achieved. Most of the times the target has been achieved. I don't see a situation where the target is not achieved. Okay, it's quite simple to trade. I think you guys have understood where you have to take an entry, where you have to take an exit, what is gonna be your stop loss. Okay, so now let me show you some more examples. Okay, now see over here, if you see, the closing is, okay, this candle is still not closing outside the line. Okay, so if you see, the closing has to be outside. Okay, here the closing is outside. So if I take a short position over here, okay, as the super trend has changed, this is gonna be the SL, and we're gonna keep a target of 1.5. now let's see if it hits the target or hits the stop loss. Okay, so I see over here our target is achieved. Okay, here itself the target is achieved. Excellent. So the more I tell you, it's gonna increase the duration of the video, so I'm not gonna go ahead. You do the back testing yourself on the charts. I'll show you how the settings have to be put on this chart. The first indicator you will need for this will be the Bollinger Band. Go to the indicators and type in Bollinger Band, and you will need this one, Bollinger Band Fibonacci ratios, Shizaru. Okay, you have to select this one. You have to click on this, and once you do this, you will get something like this to see. Okay, I'll just delete the the previous indicator from here. Give me a second. Right, so this is how you will see on your screen. Now what you need to do, you need to make some changes in this. You need to click on the settings option and go into the style. Remove the upper 3 portion, the upper 2 part, lower 3 and a lower 2. Only thing remaining is upper 1, which you're gonna make it yellow and make it a little thick, okay, by doing this. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same for the lower 1. You're gonna do it from here, right, and okay, done. And make sure that the SMA, you make the changes to the line and make it white color, a little thick, like the same. All right, remove the plots background from here. Okay, this is done. This indicator is ready now to use. You can see everything what I've shown before. One more indicator you will need for this will be the super trend indicator. Super trend, you have to select the first one. Once you do that, go into the settings of the super trend. Okay, in the inputs there will be the ADR length of 10. You have to make it 3. Factor will be 3, ADR length will be 3. Okay, you do it okay with both the cases. If you see, okay, all right. So now the super trend is ready, the Bollinger Band with Fibonacci ratios is ready, and this chart is ready to take trades. Guys, this is what the strategy is. I hope you like the strategy. If you have any questions, any doubts about the strategy, do write in the comment section. I'll try to answer any of your doubts or any of your questions. I'll see you in the next video with some unique strategy in intraday trading with cryptocurrencies or with forex trading or gold trading, anything. These strategies will work as a magic for you. So guys, see you next time in the next video with some unique strategy. Till then, take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.